Hey guys, welcome to another video. I got a video on the cryptocurrencies today. I want to cover the levels to watch because this is a very interesting time in both Bitcoin, Litecoin, and also Ethereum. Ethereum's a little different, but the Bitcoin and the Litecoin are the methods of payment, so I tend to focus on those primarily, plus they're so broad. They're in so many platforms. Let's look at Bitcoin and the current levels to watch. So I'm going to switch to maybe this monthly chart just to make it super easy to see. And of course, the main level we're looking at is 1966 to 2000, depending on the quotation. But we're so close, we're bound to hit it, we're bound to go past it. Looking at the weekly, we're really close. We've got moving averages all below, indicators all showing strength. And the levels to watch, in my opinion, are if and when it breaks through, most likely it will want to pull back as people hesitate. On the hesitation, maybe it doesn't hesitate, but usually there's going to be a hesitation. So the level to watch is like the freak out level or a stop loss level is, I have to say, is like 18,000. And then the second level would be somewhere between 14,000 and 15,000. I just have some lines right there to remind myself where I would expect a pullback. Now, just because it pulls back, it doesn't mean it's a bad sign. It would be very probable, normal, and healthy for the market to test the level and then pull back. And then many people would wait for that to re-enter. Because as you can see, every indication is showing strength, and it's really hard to put on a new position if you were already in or want to get in until you see a pullback. If you look previously, let me get rid of I'll get rid of that. If you look previously, it does tend to pull back even before when it makes new highs. Let me quickly scroll over. There's always price discovery, bam, and then a pullback, bam, and then it keeps going higher. Once it fails to go even higher, that's when you start to see the reality. So just be aware that if and when we do go through that 20,000, it will probably spike and it will probably relax, maybe even break down a little bit. So just watch out for the 5 and 10 period moving averages and see how it behaves. So 18,000, I would say, to watch. Next one quickly is Litecoin. Litecoin, the same thing. It is not as strong, and I do believe it will play catch up. It took out some recent resistance, and the next target is a bit far away, maybe 140 to 150, but we'll have to probably see a reset or a pullback period somewhere around 80. We'll watch how it behaves around there because it's had a strong run already from base to high. It's already up over 111%. So normally you'll see a cool down period or a reset period. So I would watch the 80 level and then see how it behaves. And if it just keeps going higher, the next target would be somewhere around 100 to 140. 100 is just a round number. Traders usually like to focus on those round numbers, but the last time it found sellers was around the 140 level. If it doesn't pull back, it will want to seek the 140, but I do expect some form of a sideways to small pullback around the 80 level. Those are the levels I'm watching. I just wanted to share the video and give you some intel, some information for you to watch in case you had questions. And if you have any more questions, feel free to put them in the comments. Take care, be safe, don't risk money you can't afford to lose. Cheers.